Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to unblock everything on a school Chromebook legally. Alright, so let's begin. Before we begin, it's important to understand that school restrictions are usually there for a reason, mainly for safety and productivity. So make sure you only use your device according to your school's rules and policies. Alright, so let's get into how this method works. First, open your browser and go to docs.google.com, then create a new blank document. Once your document is open a new tab and search for the website you're trying to access. For example, you might search for Facebook. When the results appear, right-click on the top result and select copy link address. Now, go back to your Google Doc. At the top left corner, click on Insert, then choose Link. Paste the URL you just copied into the box and click Apply. This will create a clickable link inside your document. After that, go back to Google and search for the login page of the same website like Facebook login. Again, right-click on the result, copy the link address, return to your document and repeat the same process. Insert, link, paste and apply. Once both links are added, click on File in the top menu, scroll down to Download and select PDF document. This will download your Google Doc as a PDF file. Open that PDF and then click on the links you inserted. In some cases, the browser may try to open those links through the document, which might behave differently than accessing them directly, and that's it. This is how you can unblock everything on a school Chromebook legally. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.